You will be amazed by this 2020 Chrysler Pacifica. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Pacifica is the ideal family hauler. Loaded with safety features and tech-focused amenities, it's powerful, quiet, agile, and offers flexible seating configurations. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, remote engine start, power passenger seat, heated rear seat, satellite radio, fog lamps, backup camera. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes from knowing your most precious cargo is in good hands. The Pacifica has your family's back. Test drive it today.